Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to set a signature in Outlook for replies and forwards. This is a great way to maintain professionalism and consistency across all your email responses without having to manually add your signature every single time you reply to or forward a message. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and logging into your account. Wait for your emails to fully load before moving on to the next step. This ensures that all your settings and preferences are properly synced and ready to be configured. Once your email has loaded, navigate to the File menu located at the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are positioned. Click on the File tab to access the back-end settings of your Outlook application. This is where you'll find all the important configuration options that control how your Outlook functions. After the File menu opens, look for the Outlook Options button located at the very bottom of the File menu. Click on it and an Outlook Options window will appear. This window contains all the customization settings for your email client. From here, click on the Mail tab on your left side panel. The Mail tab houses settings specifically related to composing, sending, and managing your emails. Under the Mail tab, you'll see several options. Click on Signatures. This will open the Signature Management window where you can create, edit, and assign signatures for different email scenarios. Once your signatures window appears, the process of setting and assigning a signature for replies and forwards becomes quite straightforward. Look for the section labeled Choose Default Signature. This section allows you to specify which signature should automatically appear when you compose a new email, reply to an email, or forward one. Click on the Replies/Forwards drop-down menu. Here you'll see a list of all the signatures you've previously created in Outlook. Select the signature you wish to assign for your replies and forwards. This ensures that whenever you hit reply or forward on any email, your chosen signature will automatically populate at the bottom of your message. Once you've made your selection, click OK to save your changes. The selected signature will now appear on every reply and forward you send from your Outlook email, saving you time and ensuring consistency across all your communications. And that's it. You've successfully configured your Outlook to automatically add your signature to all replies and forwards. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.